Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from a sub box from DEK Designs, and I'm really excited. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm opening it with you. So let's get started. I love these sub boxes. You get so much out of it. Like, I don't even know what the outside of the sub box looks like yet. Let's see. I do know that they're packed very nicely though. Ooh, look at this. This is August sub box, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Okay, then you open it up and let's check out all the goodies. Little note from Dawn, Emily, and Katie. It says, August is summer fun. We hope that you are having a wonderful summer and your planning has kept you on track. So that's cool. All right, let's see what we got. Get some of the confetti out of the way. And the first thing we get is, let's open this little box. I think it's washi. I'm not sure. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. 3 different washi strips. And it looks like cacti. Like little cactuses, and then this one, and then the wide strip. That's awesome. And then they give you a little packet of Sour Patch Kids. That's so cool of them. Oh, and then this charm. Let's check out the charm. Oh, look how beautiful that charm is. Look. That is gorgeous. I love it. That is beautiful. It's on a lobster claw. That is so beautiful. And that's their bow. And then you got another clip. And it looks like sticker die cuts. So you got a bow, planner, cactus, orange, tough but beautiful, purse, another bow, flowers in an orange, plant, sunglasses, cute, camera, lipstick, photo holder, more flowers, half of an orange, and more leaves, flowers. And then you also get this beautiful clip. Isn't that pretty? It's got like a gold rhinestone. That's beautiful. And then here is the August monthly kit. This is for Erin Condren. Oh, it's got a peekaboo box. Look at here. Peekaboo. That is so cool. I love that. But here's your August with your dates. And then some quarter boxes with the bows. And then there's your sidebar with large flags. And then all your icons. And then a long strip here. Some full boxes, half boxes, and quarter boxes. Or just, it would be quarter boxes. And then deco. And then some scripts. That's beautiful. Look at all that deco. Gorgeous. And that is your monthly kit. And this is the weekly kit, and it looks like it is done. Let's see. This kit is huge, y'all. Look at, I mean, that's huge. It says August Vibes, and it's done in the foil. Isn't that beautiful? With your quarter boxes. Oh, the dates And they're half oranges. Isn't that cool? I love that. That is cool. Your quarter boxes, half boxes, sidebar, long strip, weekend banner, habit trackers, and decorative dots. Loving the bows, guys. Loving the bows. Your full check boxes and half check boxes, bow flags, corner flags, and bow decorative. Your Monday through Sunday, and I'm loving that script. I love that. Boo Bear. And then your bottom washi and washi strips. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. And then here is some full boxes with some quarter boxes. More full boxes. Love that double box right there. And quarter boxes. Some deco. And some half doilies. I love these boxes down here. Your large flags, your washi strips, your heart icons, all done in the foil. Your headers with to do today, littles, work, to go, meal, work out, buy, spending, errands, family time, my time, and remember, food, trackers, and asterisks. Deco. And then half doilies, working girl with the work script, meeting, and appointment boxes. That's awesome. That is one whole kit that you get in there. I mean, that's a ton. Then they gave us this pen. Oh, I love it. It's got little cactuses on it. And then the tip. Tip is perfect. Awesome. Then they gave us this notepad or sticky notes. So pretty. This says coming soon. So I guess you'll be looking for these in the shop soon. Look at those. Those are beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And then DEK Sleep In. Beautiful. And then Boo Bear with your weather trackers for the high and the low. Those are adorable. Oh, these are so cute. And then back to that one. Oh, and then you get the card. You put a picture in there. And look at there. It's beautiful. And then we're going to the paper. Oh, this paper feels good. It's awesome. So you've got this one, which is absolutely beautiful. And then the stripes on the back. The beautiful bows. And flowers on the back. It's beautiful. These are beautiful. The castle. And those on the back. And then these. And this on the back. Gorgeous, guys. Look at all you get in a sub box. It's crazy. Crazy amount. And I have other sub boxes too that you can see. I mean, they are so generous, guys. You're never gonna be disappointed at all. I mean, you get all of this. Look at that. That is crazy amount of goodness right there. So make sure that you go and subscribe to their sub box. There's a cutoff date. You can't use my code for the sub box, but you can use my name for a freebie. So go check out the sub box. You're going to want to get it. They are gorgeous, and you get tons and tons of lots of stuff. So I hope that you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell button. And go check out PlannerNina_Cricut on Facebook and on Instagram so you know when these sub boxes and my hauls and my Plan With Me's go up. All right, guys. Hope you have an awesome week. Bye-bye.